Oh, back like I never left. What's up, Buzz? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. And today we have an earwax remover. Now, I've used this already. I liked it a lot. Now, this is going for, I think it's called B-Bird, the brand, I think it is. Don't worry about it. I put the link down in the description below. It's going for $36 on Amazon right now. It's one of the most popular ones that I've seen. But one thing I will say is, it was on the deals when I got it. There was like you know how Amazon has like the lightning deals, so always keep an eye out for that as well. But it said there was like only 9 left at the moment when I went to go check the price. So they always say that, but it just lets you know that it is a popular product and that people always get it. So what do you get with this earwax remover? Now, it is wireless. If you haven't seen on my channel, I did a wired one before, which I love. I love to keep my ears clean. I have crazy earwax, so I always have to keep it clean. And with my channel with earbuds, I definitely want to keep my ears unplugged with, you know, earwax as much as I can. Now, I really like the wired one that we had on the channel before, but the hassle of setting it up, you know, it was really a hassle. You had to get it. I had to get my computer, plug it up, do so much, and I just want to grab and get stuff out of there. So what do you get in this little box? You get other tips. You probably can't see it, but you'll get other tips to clean your ears with. And there's, let me see here, 3 in here, and then you have, yeah, there's 3 in here, and you have one that's already on your device. So right here, as you can see, there's one on the device already. And it's not that big, it's probably like the size of a pen. And then you have a charging cable, which is, I think it's, micro USB. So you have a charging cable. Now you can just charge it. You don't have to worry about it being connected when you use it. Now, the one thing I thought that was annoying with this is that it's not Bluetooth. If it is, leave it in the comments below if I've been tripping, but it seems like even in the setup in here, that you got to connect through your wireless, your Wi-Fi with your phone, which is so annoying. I just wish it was Bluetooth, but whatever. So to turn it on, it'll be down here at the bottom. And let me tell you guys which version this is, because I was so confused when I was looking it up. I was trying to find it because when you download the app, it'll tell you to download the app, or, you know, use your phone to get the picture right there to get to the app. And when you download it, it asks what version do you have. It says somewhere here on the instructions, it's the B-Bird C3. This one is the B-Bird C3. That's the version that you're gonna click when you connect this. So when you turn it on, you'll just hit the button at the bottom. As you see, it lights up right there, so you can see go inside your ear, and then it'll start blinking, looking for the device. And this is when you connect to your Wi-Fi. Let me go in the app first. And then when you're in the app, that's it'll tell you connect to Wi-Fi and find the B-Bird device. And so you go to your Wi-Fi settings and then you connect it. So right when you click on your Wi-Fi and you click that, then you go back to your app, and right away you just click start, and then you'll get to, you know, zoom in to the ear. Now what we're gonna do is, I'm about to screen record on my phone. I have it up right here, and we'll go inside my ear. All right, so here we go. We're about to go in the ear, and you guys will see what I'm looking at. Now, you can see all the little stuff. Ooh. And you just slowly start swiping it out. Now, normally, when I cleaned my ears last time, boy, oh boy, these are like harder pieces, and normally they're really, like, my ears were like gunky, and it was like all, it was just bad. So even on here, you can switch ear, like left ear, right ear. You could take photos just in case you gotta send it to a doctor or something, which is cool. Oh, keep it on. Keep it on. Oh! You want to make sure you don't go too deep in your ear, because you don't want to hit your eardrum with this, because I know it feels good. You're just like, oh, it feels good in there. You don't want to go too crazy, and plus you don't want to break this little thing off inside your ear. So you definitely want to be careful when you're using this. Oh, this one's about to just fall. Got it. So you want to be careful when you're using this thing. Don't go crazy inside your ear. Just be gentle. Slowly just wipe it. And don't push down hard in your ear. You just gently, you know, do it. Because you don't want to mess your ears up. And if you just have way too much and you feel like you're pushing it in, just stop. Go to a doctor. Let them do it. Let them clean it out for you. But the more you do it, you'll get used to like just swiping it. The hardest thing I would say is getting used to. I'll go a little bit deeper. Let's see if we can get more. See, these are all harder pieces for me. I got all the nasty gunky stuff out last week. The hardest thing is getting used to the camera and your hand. Like you feel like you're not going the right way. And with that, I would say just use the left and right button on here. And sometimes changing that angle helps you, you know, get the right, all up is up and down is down. Because sometimes you feel like you're doing the invert and you just get confused. Just take your time. You'll end up getting it after a while. All right, but so there you have it. I let you guys inside my ears. Hit the like button and subscribe for that. But if you guys are looking for a cheap wireless ear cleaner, this is probably the one you want to get that earwax out of your ears and you be able to see what's in there. I know a lot of people are frustrated, like, what's in there? I feel like my ears are clogged. And when I feel like that last week and this came and I used it, it was clogged. There was like everything was almost blocking the whole ear hole. I was pulling a whole bunch out. So this is definitely for all those people that always want to see what's in the ear, their ear is bugging them. This is something you can get so you can check and see what's in there and what's going on. Don't forget, if it's too much, if it hurts, anything like that, if you feel like you're pushing it in deeper, go to a doctor. It's not that serious. Just get what you can with a little bit of stuff. Barely pull it softly. Don't push down on the tip because it's a fragile little tip thing and you don't want to snap this in your ear. So the earwax will come. It doesn't need a lot of force. You don't need to push down hard. You just slowly scrape it. You know, it don't need a lot of force. So you'll be good. I definitely say this is something to buy if you're really, you know, like me, your ears, you want to keep them clean or they bug you and you always want to know what's going on. This is something to buy for 36 bucks. So I'll put that link down in the description below so you guys can click that and hopefully they have a deal. You guys see the current price and see if they have any deals for you guys and you can check other people's reviews. All right, bud, so there you have it. If you guys like this video and you like being inside my ear, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. You guys are helping my channel grow. My name is Rodney and this was Wanna Buy It. I see all of you in my next video. Be safe out there, buds. Peace.